let you in on a little secret. That's in tonight's dinner. Tasty. I'll let you look again so you don't have to rewind. It's going in the microwave. Check it out. What do you think? To be fair, I am hungry. I can do better, I know that, that's for sure. Anyway. Yeah, take care.